Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. Okay, yesterday we were supposed to do giveaway of $20, but for some reason I wasn't seeing the comments, right? I don't know if YouTube is the one deleting it or the guys posting it were the ones deleting it. But I know I saw several comments and I can't find it anymore. So please uh resend your comments, most especially this guy. I hope he can drop his address real quick so that I can send the coin. But if you're watching this video and then you see it and then you check the last video we posted and there's still no address, please kindly drop your address so you get a coin. Alright, just in case you're new to the channel, please do make sure you support the channel by subscribing to the channel, and of course hitting the bell button so they can get timely updates whenever we bring out crypto news. And in every of our video we'll be giving out some amount of HaggleX coin, right? For now it's $20. It might increase, it might reduce depending on some conditions, of course. Right, so let's go to the news for today. So I have some very juicy news. So the first news is about TikTok, right? So TikTok partners with crypto-powered music streaming platform Auduis. According to Auduis, co-founder and chief product officer Forrest Browning, is that his name? Okay. Forrest Browning, roughly 95% of users have no idea what blockchain is even involved, right? Oh, sorry, let me read that again. Have no idea that blockchain is even involved, and that is how to build a good product. Now, if you build a product, where the users will start question, hey, how does this blockchain thing work? That means you didn't build a good product rather. But if the users don't even know that they're using blockchain, why they're using blockchain, then my friend, you built a good product. Moving forward, music sharing platform Audios became one of the first streaming platforms to partner with TikTok. One of the first. I didn't have any plans for others. And just in case this is not a financial advice, as a result of this kind of news, right, although you're supposed to get the coin before the news came out, but not everybody's privileged to get the news before it comes out, right? So if you're looking for a coin to hold for long term, you should buy Audios, allowing users to directly share tracks to the popular app. In a Monday announcement, Audios said it had partnered with TikTok in the creation of a new feature called TikTok Sounds. According to a Rolling Stone interview with Audios co-founder and chief product officer Forrest Browning, the integration will allow users to export songs created with the protocol to TikTok with one click in an effort to streamline the process. That is nice, but I hope those songs will turn to an NFT. Did they say so? But let's see. Let's read. Though Audios claims it seeks to leverage blockchain technology to reward content creators, which is what I want to hear, as well as increase transparency on payouts to artists, the integration with TikTok seems to be more about the music rather than pushing messages about cryptocurrency or decentralized finance. That is how it's supposed to be in the first place, but okay. According to Browning, roughly 95% of users, we read that before, approaching 1 billion monthly active users. TikTok reported in July that 95% of its user base is in the US. Discover new artists. I don't know what I'm reading this morning. Audios now roughly has 5 million. Whoa, that's a nice number. 5 million monthly active users. Boom. This coin is gonna blast to the moon and beyond. Right, so this is the Audios, right? This is what their website looked like. This is the team. Dead Mountain. This guy is their name. Is this their team? Built with the best. Anyways, this
is 12 o'clock.
Thank you very much. This is the platform, right? And I don't know if they pay you for listening, but maybe in another video I'll do a review on how it really works. But I know a platform that pays you for listening, and it's called Emanate. So Emanate is built on a blockchain also. Emanate pays artists, right, song producers, right, music producers for creating songs, right? So you have a song, you put it on Emanate. As people listen to the song, you get paid in cryptocurrency. Yep, sounds nice, right? Yep, it's been around for 2 years, and unfortunately, people don't know much about Emanate, but they've been doing some great work. in the background. I've worked with them before. That was either last year or last 2 years. So as you can see here, this block console helps you understand the relationship between application and the blockchain. Anyways, Emanate is powered by the best blockchain in the world, which is EOS.io. But of course, they are suffering from publicity because if you check around the media, no big media talks about EOS. Not because it's not good, but because the big media we have, right, in the crypto space, they are owned by people who invested heavily into Ethereum, most especially into Ethereum, right? And Ethereum is still trying to come up, so they won't like to talk about the competitors for Ethereum. All right, moving on. So here's the price of Auduis. It's been up more than 90%. Today's what? What's today? Tuesday. Yeah, the news came out yesterday, and as a result of the news, the price pumped. You can get it on Binance Coin on Binance Exchange. So the price pumped hugely from 1% to 1%, from $1 to $3. All right, that's too much talk about Auduis. These guys ain't paying me for that. Moving on. Minority communities are investing in crypto to escape financial discrimination. Yep, cryptocurrency is money for the people, by the people, for the people. I think I said that before. Right. So cryptocurrency just lets you have your own money, and if you've not started using cryptocurrency and you have all your money in the banks, I seriously don't know what to say to you other than have fun. Moving on, ETH2 staking contract ranks as single largest Ether holder with $21 billion. Now, to just give you the summary of this, right, Ethereum 2.0 is coming out, and for you to be a validator in Ethereum 2.0, you need to have at least 32 Ethereum, and thousands of people, I don't know if it's thousands, but a lot of people have 32 Ethereum in the smart contracts that will lead to Ethereum 2.0, and that has come to become one of the biggest, largest single holder. The smart contract itself become the single largest holder of Ether. That's the news right there, nothing much. Moving on, news about Alibaba. Alibaba is going to crypto. Alibaba launches NFT marketplace for copyright trading. This is mind-blowing if this news is true, right? So it lets you know that the NFT business is just getting started. Yep. So if you can start, I'm going to do a video where I will talk about the top 10 NFT and the top 10 NFT platforms, right? So you know how people build projects on Ethereum, right? So you can buy those projects that are building on Ethereum, or you can buy Ethereum. So the first thing you need to do you want to buy a share of the NFT platform. And buying the share, I mean by buying the cryptocurrency of that NFT platform. But this is mind blowing, right? And I'm going to do another news about that. Some other news. Fitch Ratings warns El Salvador's Bitcoin law will pose risks to local insurers. Now, this is a very nonsensical news and makes absolutely no sense, but it just has to be in the news because it's a news. Yep, so just in case you don't know the news, let me just give you the background story. So a country called El Salvador, I never knew that the country was called El Salvador until they started accepting Bitcoin. That's good. They started, they brought out a law that they're going to start accepting Bitcoin, and the whole world and IMF and the whole banking sector went wild because they know laws like this will make the banks obsolete. Because the reason why we have cryptocurrency is so that is that we can start making transactions without the bank, and when we start making transactions without the banks go broke and then go obsolete. So of course you don't expect those who work with or for the banks to give good ratings about cryptocurrency adoption. To some other news, Human Protocol is bringing captcha to earn. Okay, just in case you've not been using the internet for the past 2,000 years and you don't know what captcha is. So captcha is, when you go to some websites, they'll tell you, click all the birds you can see, click all bicycles, click all this, click all that. You see, that is what a captcha is. Alright, so I love what the article says. It says, not as fun as play to earn, but hey, it's something. Yeah, sure, it's something. Right, it used to be very capturing. It used to be very boring, right, and time consuming to do capture, but hey, now you can earn to do capture. Anyways, that's the news right there. So Twitter news. Twitter picks crypto developer Grabber to run decentralized social media wing, right? I haven't gotten the full news about this, but I don't know if Twitter wants to become decentralized. If that is the case, it's gonna be really, really bullish. But let me read. Crypto developer Grabber will lead the Twitter's efforts to create a decentralized social media protocol. Grabber, who I don't know if it's Grabber or Grabber, who contributed to privacy coin project Zcash. Zcash, of course, is a private cryptocurrency. Until October 2018, announced the news on Monday. I'm excited to announce that I'll be leading Blue Sky as an Blue Sky. I need to, check that out. Okay, is Twitter going? Efforts to decentralize social networks hope to structurally change the balance of power in favor of giving the ability, blah 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 blah. This is Blue Sky. It's been a long time coming, but we finally found a lead. We are currently working through details to set up the new Blue Sky entity, which will operate independently from Twitter. So it's a new, it will be in an independent platform. We are excited to share more. Anyways, that's some Blue Sky news. All right, so 2 more news for us to go today. Which universities are the best for blockchain? I know one. Let me just put it up right. All right, so this is the best university for blockchain in the world, right? So if you agree with me, just smash that loud black button. Anyway, so we have a blockchain university where you can learn about blockchain and cryptocurrency, where you can learn about, blockchain smart contract development, where you can learn about trading and some other stuff. Anyways, let's go back to the articles. So I don't know if there's a list. Let me just look out for the list because I don't need to read the entire thing. Anyways, some other news. Bank, and of course this is the last news for today. Bank of Ghana urged to resist developing a CBDC based on old traditional siloed financial thinking. I don't care what the news is all about, but any cryptocurrency or any currency that is coming from a bank called CBDC is trash. So, in other words, I'm sure those guys in Ghana, they are thinking about the CBDC. Let's look at the price today. So Bitcoin is around $46,000. I don't know. Bitcoin is just shy of getting to $50,000, so we can pop new set of champagnes. But Ethereum is around $3,200. Binance Coin is $400. Cardano $2. I hope to see Cardano at $10 soon. XRP has been pushed down. Dogecoin up. Solana is up by over 70% because of the news that was announced recently. Litecoin $183. Polygon $1.4. VeChain. That's the price news. Here's my favorite cryptocurrency. Let's look at TradingView and see what the chart is saying. Alright, so this is the price chart of Ethereum as seen, the Ethereum price. See, everything in the market has been pumping real hard. So from between 20th and now, the market has been on a steady rise. This doesn't look healthy, right? So on a normal day, I'll wait for a retracement to somewhere around 2.6, right? Or better still 2.4. But of course, that's me, right? So between 22nd of last month, that's a long time. Although I understand because people are getting more Ethereum and staking more Ethereum, but of course, it might come down to $3,000. Anyways, that is me. So our question for today is, let me see, what's the question for today? What is the price? What is the name of the coin that TikTok is partnering with, or that partnered with TikTok? And what is the price of the coin? So put your answer in the comment section below, and then put your HaggleX address from Trust Wallets. If you don't know how to get your HaggleX address from Trust Wallets, go to Google, search for HaggleX contract address, take the contract address, click the top right of the app, add custom token, put the contract address there. Decimal is 8, name of the coin is HaggleX, symbol is HAG. And boom. See ya.